next thing in this is addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Let's take first addition. We'll have to add this. So how you are going to add? First write down the first number as it is. So it was 12.67, so 12.67. Now make a decimal point under the decimals. This is a decimal. I have made it here also. Now 4 is at 1's place and 3 and 4. You will have to arrange them column wise in this way. Here also 6.253. Written the first number as it is, no problem. Now make the decimal under the decimal. So after decimal here is this 6, 7 and 8. So you will have to start writing from the decimal, not from the highest place, not from the lowest place. Start from the decimal to the right as well as to the left. Fine. So now first add, let's add 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 at this place, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7. So decimal under the decimal, don't forget it. This is 7 and 1. Here also you cannot subtract 8 from 3, so you will have to borrow. So it will be 13 and it will be 4. 13 minus 8 is 5, and again you cannot subtract 7 from 4, so you will have to borrow. So it will be 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here it will be 1. You cannot subtract 6 from 1, so again borrow. So it will be 5 and it will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Don't forget to put the decimal. So it is similar you have done in numbers, just you will have to take care the decimal. Otherwise there is no change. Simple addition and subtraction. So multiplication in case of decimal. I have taken two examples. One the whole number and decimal number. One both the decimal number. How you are going to do? In multiplication, just forget the decimal first. So it is 453 multiplied by 2. Same you have done earlier. Multiply it. 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is 10, 1 at this place, 2 4 is 8, plus 1 9. Now in the answer you will have to calculate the decimal digits you have to put. So after decimal there are two digits, 1 and 2. So start from your this place, right hand digit number. So 1, 2 and after there were 2. So here also after 2 digits you are going to put the decimal. This is your answer. In this also forget the decimal first. 548 multiplied by 17. Fine. Multiply the numbers. So it will be 6, 5 here. 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 5. There is 33. 3 here, 35, 38, 3 8, 3 6 and leave cross at the first place, and it will be 8, 4 and 5. Now add them. It will be 6, 1, 3 and 9. Fine. So simple multiplication we have done. Now where to put the decimal number? So you can count the digits after decimal in both the numbers. Here there are two digits, 1 and 2. Here also there are two digits. So we have total 4 decimal points. Fine. So start from this place again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Put the decimal here and you will have to put 1 0, or if you won't put the 0, even then the answer is correct. So what you have done, we have calculated the number of digits, 2 here and 2 here, 1 2. So total are 4. So after 4 places we have put the decimal point. Now let us take the division case. So I have taken few examples. 256 divided by 10. I can write it like 256 by 10. Now answer will be 256 if you are going to divide it by 10. So there is only 1 0, so decimal will be after 1 digit. Here 256 by 100, so how many zeros? 2. So decimal will be 1 2 after 2 digits. Here it is 1000, so 256, 3 zeros, so 1 2 and 3, so decimal will be after 3 digits. Now if you want to divide it by any whole numbers, how you are going to do? Just take 256 divided by 2, leave the decimal point. Now divide it. 2 1 ja 2 minus 0, 5 will come down, so 2 2 ja 4, 1, this 6 will come down, 2 8 ja 16, 0. Fine. So where was the decimal? After 2 places, 1 2, so here also 1 2 this, so your answer will be 1.28. Fine. So what we are doing, we are just simply dividing, and then after calculating the number of digits after which the decimal is there and putting the decimal after that. After 2 digits the decimal was there. Here also the decimal is there after 2 digits only.